Well, happy Halloween! And this year, we're doing a witch and wizards theme for our pumpkin carving. Wizard. Wizard.
Wizards.
Here are the designs. Here is Victor, who will be helping again.
Again.
And this year we're joined by Amanda.
I'm just carving guts out, that's all I'm doing.
So let's get to it now.
Yeah, okay. If you ever get invited to the annual Andrew and Victor pumpkin carving, don't come. So I decided that what I'll do is I will save the pumpkin seeds from this big pile of guts, and we'll toast the pumpkin seeds.
So now I'm going to do a complicated one over here. I think it's going to come out well. After all, I'm carving it.
Do it now, or I'll hunt you down. Smash like.